Yes, everyone, and today we will learn Russian with AI. Let's go.
Let's start with some basic Russian phrases. 1. Hello. Привет.
Привет.
Repeat.
Привет. I knew that.
2. How are you? Как дела? Как дела?
Как дела? Как дела? I knew that too.
3. Thank you. Спасибо.
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 Спасибо. Spasiba. I knew that too.
4. You're welcome. Пожалуйста. Пожалуйста. Repeat.
Пожалуйста. I forgot that.
5. What is your name? Как вас зовут? Как вас зовут?
Как вас зовут? I forgot that too. I knew it. Меня зовут.
Let's do a quick quiz. How do you say hello in Russian?
Привет.
Perfect. And how do you say thank you?
I forgot that one. Spasiba. Spasiba.
Exactly. And how would you ask, how are you in Russian?
Как дела?
Exactly. Great job. And how do you say you're welcome?
Bolyoshi.
You're close. It's пожалуйста.
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 Tell me something in Russian. Let it be for at least 10 seconds. Talk for at least 10 seconds in Russian, and I will guess what you're saying. Go ahead.
That's impressive. Here's a short sentence in Russian. Я люблю учить новые языки. Они делают мир интереснее. What do you think it means?
I don't remember. I know uchit. I learned the word uchit. Uchit means to live. No. I think uchit means to live. So how do you like it here? How like since when have you lived here? I don't know. What's the answer?
Great effort. The sentence means I love learning new languages. They make the world more interesting. You're on the right track.
That was really bad. If you're Russian and you'd like to teach me Russian words, that would be super cool. I would love that. But you can clearly see that I'm really bad. It's been ages. And yeah, that's it. Anyways, leave a comment, like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you next time. Ciao, ciao.